Hi, do you have this question in your mind? This Valentine's Day that she loves me not. He loves me not. So, yes, this is the biggest thing that people have in their mind during the Valentine's Day. And so, just for that, I have brought this video. Now, this is timeless, okay? It doesn't matter which year you're watching this video, but it's timeless, and yes, it's going to answer your question correctly. So for this reading, I have four very special options. Okay, so first we have a piece of sugar cane. Okay, yeah, this is a fresh piece of sugar cane, seasonal. The next we have is an apple. I'll just put all the pictures together, but for now I'm just showing you the options. We have an orange, and then we have two pieces of gooseberry. Okay, so it's also called amla. So we have these four options. So how do you have to select these options? Just think about your person, whichever person, for whichever person you have this question in your mind, just have them in your mind, just like come into that concentrated posture. Yeah, just focus your mind, concentrate on this person, whoever he or she is, and close your eyes and select one option. Okay, I'll be just putting all the options down for you so that you can focus on all of them. Okay, so once you get all the options, focus on them, and one option will be calling out to you. It doesn't matter whether it's your favorite fruit or you dislike that option. Okay, also the taste of that fruit, whether you like it or not, is not going to depend on the reading. Okay, the reading quality may be totally opposite of what the taste of the fruit is, or whether you like it or not. Okay, so which is why you just don't have to focus on whether you like that fruit or not. One fruit will pull your attention. That is the fruit you have to select, and then from the timestamps given below this video, you have to watch your video. Okay, so let's get started. Here is all the options. Okay, so just in case if you selected the piece of sugar cane, let's get started. Let's see what the cards have to tell you. Okay, so the first option, okay, whether whoever you have thought about while watching, while choosing the options, whether they love you or not, this card is answering that question. Okay, so see, so from the all the cards that I can see, I do feel that this person does have some feelings for you, and they have like very committed sort of feelings. Okay, committed sort of feelings in the case they would like to get married to you. They would like to, maybe, or they would like to live in with you. Okay, so those are the two things in their mind. Now you may not be sure whether you are that serious or not, but still this person is quite serious for you. Okay, um I also can see this is some kind of procession going on. Now, this guy is on a horse and he's going with all the men, all the soldiers. Usually in India, okay, not soldiers, but usually in India, when a man gets married, he likes to ride a horse and go to his wife. Okay, so this also somehow signifies that yes, if he is a man, he would want that he gets married to you. Okay, so yes, that is there. Now you may say, okay, what if he is what if that is a woman? Okay, if you are thinking about a woman, if you are thinking about a woman, it can be that money is the issue. Okay, for you to get into a relationship, maybe money is an issue. maybe she wants that you earn a lot of money, or she wants that in general you guys should have good amount of money before you get settled. Okay, also good amount of money, plus once you get settled she wants that there has to be good amount of money flowing into the into your family, so that both the lifestyle of both the people is nice and balanced. Okay, let's see what we have here. First is the card about fifth dimension. Okay, act towards others as you would like to be treated. Okay, open up to learn, then spread the knowledge. So, the answer for you is act towards others as you would like to be treated. Yes, both of you just need to treat each other well. Just because we have this card, I do feel that how both of you treat each other may be of importance. It may be of importance. It has to be worked upon, because the way you guys treat each other, or while you are together maybe you are miserable. Let me know if that resonates with you. But this can be somehow just miserable related to finances. Okay, nothing else, I would assume that. Or if both of you make each other miserable, then you need to learn that act towards each other just as you would like yourself to be treated. Okay, so if you like to be treated well, you have to treat your partner well. Golden years of Atlantis, the people maintained a fifth dimensional frequency by living in accordance with the highest spiritual values. So both of you, okay, now usually sometimes well, one person has very good values in certain areas, other person has good values and knowledge about something else. So both of you will have to lower your ego at some times, accept each other's thought. Whoever holds a higher kind of a higher spiritual value, that has to be accepted. Okay, also the person who is egoistic, he or she, they may feel that only their values are high and other person's value should not be considered. You don't have to do that. Okay, you have to behave like a responsible person, and yes, live in accordance with the highest spiritual values. Okay, one of the tenets was do unto others as you would have them act towards you. As a result, they were at all times loving, welcoming, fair, cooperative, and generous. They aspire to live in love. Okay, so this is how people in Atlantis they lived, and this is how you and your partner. Okay, because yes, you chose this option so that you can know whether your partner loves you or not. So the answer is clear. They do love you. They want that you guys progress forward. Okay, your relationship progresses forward. They want to be with you through your thick and thin. Okay, but certain things need to be kept in mind so that your relationship, once you guys both are together, your relationship goes on smoothly. Okay, if you drew this card, your guidance is to ask yourself how you would like to be treated and act towards others accordingly. If you want that your partner understands you, you have to first understand your partner. If you want that your partner respects you, you have to first begin respecting your partner. Okay, let's see what's happening with this card. This is the card for education. Okay, in Golden Atlantis, a trained priest would examine a child's aura to discover his or her inborn gifts and talents, which were then developed. The learning temples were peaceful, quiet places where relaxation was induced by appropriate music and color to open the right brain of the student. Okay, so yeah, just keep on listening where this is heading. Then the priest would telepathically impart spiritual knowledge directly into his or her mind. He or she could also absorb information directly into the third eye from certain crystals. Okay, also with which higher priests or the magi had programmed specific information. Okay, drawing this card suggests that you open yourself to new learnings by relaxing. Okay, see, whenever in your life, especially this is about your relationship, whenever both of you cannot understand each other, see, there will be times when both of you just cannot understand each other. Both of you will not be able to figure out who is having the higher virtue and who has to listen to whom. In that case, the card is telling you that just try to relax, okay, and absorbing information rather than the old logical structured way. Alternatively, it may be time for you to teach others. In this case, draw from your own wisdom, not books. Okay. So, yes, somehow, if you feel that both of you are facing problems, both of you are having an argument and are not able to understand who has to give up, who has to understand the other, if you are not able to get that, then the cards say yes, relaxation will be required. And there are across like many places, people have the saying, sleep over it. If you have a problem and you cannot solve it, just sleep over it, and what happens is you will get the solution to that problem in your sleep. Okay. And also, in this case, because you are, if you are getting into a relationship and both of you are enjoying, like, yes, you're becoming each other's spouse, in that case the cards have to say that if you are sleeping over, if there is a problem, you're sleeping over. And sometimes it is that if you have problems, don't go to sleep together. If you had an argument, don't go to bed till that argument is solved. That is also one very good psychological advice. So in this case, what you can do, if that argument is not getting solved, plus the cards are telling you to sleep over it, try to sleep separately and not in your own bedroom. Okay, the bedroom that is meant for both of you, don't sleep there with that argument energy in your mind. Okay, so once you do that, once you sleep over it, you will get your solution. And then the next day you will be able to solve whatever your argument is, or that argument factor will just evaporate. You will not even know how did that happen, but it will just go away on its own. Okay. So yes, so this is the reading for you. I hope that you like it. Let me know in the comments how did you like this reading. Okay, and I will see you again in my next video. So just in case, if you have selected the apple, then let's see what the cards have to tell you. Okay, so he loves you not, she loves you not. What is the answer for that? Okay, so for that, I do feel that the answer can be no. Okay, they don't have any such feelings for you. Maybe they have feelings for you, but they have selected to move on. They have selected to move on, and it is you who is struggling. It is you who is suffering in this situation. Okay, let me show you the cards one by one. Okay, so first we have this guy. He's blowing the trumpet. Okay, he's blowing the trumpet and waving out something. So this can be, that person telling you that they have broken up, they don't want to be with you, etc. Yes, declaring that they don't want to be with you. Okay, and this is, I do feel that this is you. This can be you, or it can be the other person. Okay, you are like totally fine, and this is the other person who is actually struggling, who is actually finding it very difficult to cope up with your loss, not having the other person in the relationship. This card is for a new beginning. Okay, and this new beginning is without that person. Okay, I know this is a Valentine's Day reading, loves me not kind of reading, but still, this is the card which actually shows Yes, that you need to move on, you need to go start moving ahead without that person, even though all the things have ended with them. Okay, this shows this shows some kind of success in future. Okay, so it can be with this person, because just because we are doing this special reading, I do feel that this can be like a successful relationship with this person in future, or it can be a successful friendship. Okay, let's see what do these cards say. The cosmos is ready to help you balance every area of your life. Okay, so let's see, the cosmos is ready to help. Okay. Balance. When the final experiment of Atlantis was established, the senior priesthood created a pool of high frequency energy, which the people used could access to enhance their own energy or help them manifest their visions. Okay, so later violet flame was offered to the citizens. This could be visualized or invoked to enable them to transmute any negativity that arose, especially in relationships. Okay, so okay, so here we have a little solution, especially for relationship, that yes, if you guys have broken up, you can actually do this, that yes, just close your eyes, visualize violet flame. Yes, visualize your partner and you, like both of you standing, and see violet flame surrounding both of you, violet flame in between you. Okay, so what will happen when you do this? The energy between both of you will be cleansed and relationship will improve. Okay, so yes, again with this, it is telling you that the relationship can be worked upon, so there can be future improvement in the relationship, which we saw with this card here. Okay, and this, your guidance to is to call on the great cosmic pool of energy, for it is time now to manifest your dreams. Okay, so in this case it will be manifesting your dream to be with your partner. Be Before you invoke the cosmic assistance, be still and focus on your vision. Only negative thoughts can hold you back, so call in or visualize the violet flame to dissolve them. Move forward. Okay, so this is telling you that if any negativity is there, if you are not feeling good, then that violet flame is going to erase all the negative energy from around you. Okay, the cosmos is, yes, so this is the message from cosmos for you. And this card, it is showing some kind of balance between both of you is needed. Okay, I think there was no balance between both of you, which is why the thing, it ended. Yes, it ended, and it wasn't going on the way it should be going. In the golden days of Atlantis, people never gave without receiving or received without giving. Okay, so I think there was an imbalance in your relationship. Either just you were giving, and your partner was receiving, or it was the other ways, where your partner just keep on giving, and you are just receiving. So the card says that it is necessary that both of you actually balance out. As much as you are giving, yes, your partner also has to give. Okay, now usually when we talk about relationships and partnership and spouses, we usually say, oh, your love has to be unconditional. But there is no such thing like unconditional love, because if you want to have a healthy relationship, definitely that relationship is going to be conditional. Okay, if you are doing so much, if you are giving so much emotional support, so much other kind of supports, then you do expect that your partner also does that same thing to you. Okay, so yes, yeah, so do try to see that either of you should actually learn to maintain the balance. And so if just in case if that balance is not getting maintained, do that violet flame healing. Okay, so violet flame healing will help to dissolve any negativity that is stopping either of you from not maintaining the balance. Okay, so yes, so this is the reading for you. I hope that you like it. See, there are chances that in future this relationship can again yes, it can again manifest itself, but it will stay longer only if you learn to maintain the balance. Okay, as I told you, maintaining the balance is necessary. Because you guys don't maintain the balance, your relationship is ending. It's becoming tumultuous. Okay, so if you want to balance your relationship, you have to dissolve the negativity between both of you. And yes, there has to be a healthy give and take of everything, only positive things. Okay, so yes, so this is the reading for you. I hope that you like it. Let me know in the comments, how did you like this reading? Okay, I'll see you again in my next video. Okay, so just in case if you selected this little orange, let's see what do the cards have to tell you, whether they love you or they don't love you, whoever it is. Okay, male or female. Okay, so here I would like to say that yes, that person may not have the same feelings like what you have. Okay, first of all, we have yes, we have these two people. It actually shows both of you. It's the card for Libra, but yes, it's actually nothing related. I'm not just including a sign because this is like a reading for everyone. So this says, though both of you are very much equal, okay, both of you are very much alike, you have some good thoughts. Okay, your thought pattern is also matching, your choices are also same. You may feel that both of you are almost the same, but still this card says that about feelings, okay, about feelings, whether they love you or not, those feelings are not yet sure. They are not sure whether they have feelings for you, and it's uncertain. Okay, so you may say, okay, so if it is uncertain, are there chances that after a few years they may actually become sure about their feelings? There is nothing like that given in the cards. Okay, so I just have to be clear. This says that they are uncertain, plus it is dangerous. Okay, it is dangerous to just be in the illusion, that someday they will develop feelings for you. Okay, so this is actually not good for you. The next we have is this card. Okay, so have both of you tried relationship counseling? I don't know, but just in case, if you guys are in a committed relationship, you guys are married or you have kids, and just because of the kids you are thinking that you should not separate or split up, in that case I would say that do try to consider relationship counseling. Okay, yes. And even if you guys are not in a okay, you guys don't have kids, you are not committed, etc., but still we have this card. This shows some kind of counseling, meeting some kind of expert. Because see, though you guys are together, okay, now again, even with the counselor, both of these people are together. Here also these two people are together. So I do feel that you guys have been together, you guys maybe are living in together. So, but you may not have any feelings for each other anymore. Okay, and this shows that I think the relationship is not emotional based. Okay, it is not for emotions. Either of you is actually getting benefit of finances and resources. Okay, also one more thing, if you are committed, if you have been living in, or if you are married for a long time, and then if you are thinking of separating, this is the thing, go to an expert and try to figure out how much money you would be gaining, because yes, you have been living in for the long time. Alimony, just in case if that matters. Okay, then we have the divine essence card. Okay, in golden Atlantis, the people lived in their essence. In other words, with the joyful innocence of child, they expressed themselves honestly and as does an infant. Okay, without pretension or camouflage. So This is how both of you are expected to share your thoughts. Okay, so there are chances that both of you have just developed a sophisticated layer that you guys are not even sharing. You guys are not even open and transparent towards each other. But this card is reminding you that you don't have to pretend, you don't have to camouflage. Okay, for they are free to for ego and personal desire. Purity of thought and intention enable them to maintain a highly evolved state. Okay, so you will be able to maintain a very good state while you are both are together, just if you are just very very pure and very very open with each other, with the result that people literally glowed with happiness and their auras shone clear and bright. Okay, drawing this card suggests that you return to basics and examine who you truly are. So, see, it is actually saying this that you need to return to your basics and see who you are, because both of you have been walking together, both of you have known each other so much that maybe you have forgotten each other, you have forgotten oneself. So the card is telling you you have to start beginning to learn what exactly you are, what exactly you want. Allow your divine essence to guide you. Okay, innocence is a highly evolved state which allows you to be natural, joyful, and at one with your higher self. Your guidance is to be yourself. Okay, so yes, if you be yourself in your relationship, just be natural, just be truthful to who you are. Sometimes people just try to be very formal, very very formal, very very yeah, that okay, oh, it's okay, I don't want it. Okay, if you don't like it, just clearly tell it. You don't have to disrespect that person, but clearly stating that what you like, what you don't like is not an issue, right? If you are saying that respectfully. The citizens of Golden Atlantis were aware that water washes, hydrates, and is a cosmic cleanser which purifies people at a cellular level. Definitely. They knew that flowing water soothes emotions, opens up spiritual and psychic potential, and that its force can be harnessed to change situations. Okay. So they placed fountains in every temple and swam in rivers or picnicked by lakes whenever possible. So this is a silent sign. Try to go to swimming together, try to bathe in the sea or anywhere, any water body that is possible. Most of all, they liked to sit and contemplate there. They could hear the sound of running water. Okay, so visiting any water body, going to the beach together, visiting the lake, or going by the riverside, camping by the riverside may be a good idea. Your guidance is to spend time today near water, preferably by a river, lake, or the sea, or bath or a shower. Okay, so if both of you guys haven't had a shower together, this card is telling you to just have a shower. Okay, as you immerse yourself in the cosmic energy, sense it purifying each cell of your body. And while you are enjoying together, while you are at your near water body, forget everything, enjoy, immerse yourself in that experience. If you cannot physically be in or near water, visualize it. Okay, so just in case, yes, whatever you do, you have to do it with your partner. Okay, so in this case, if you cannot go to a water body, if you don't have a shower, you can actually both sit together and visualize. You can just meditate and put some music. See, there is very good music available that has like flowing water. Okay, so flowing water meditation, both of you can do together. Okay, so from all of these cards, I do feel that you guys may be uncertain whether you have feelings for each other or not, but there are some measures, some procedures told, and if you do those procedures, there are chances. See, because water is something that holds emotions. Okay, water is something that holds emotions, water is something that regulates emotions. So if something was blocking your emotions, together, working together and by the water, listening to the water, that is going to help you to again keep those emotions flowing. Okay, emotions have to flow, they cannot be blocked. Okay, so this is what the cards are saying. So you need to work on your relationship and then see whether you guys have feelings for each other or not, because cards are actually not saying, cards do say that, cards are not even saying no, they are neither saying yes. Okay, cards are telling that it is uncertain whether you guys have feelings for each other or not, and you will have to do a procedure, meditation on water, sound of water, or visiting a water body will help you to clarify whether you have still that emotional connection or not. Okay, so yes, so this is the reading for you. I hope that this video helps you. Let me know in the comments how did you like this video. Okay, I'll see you again in my next video. Okay, so just in case if you have selected the gooseberries, okay, so let's see what do the cards have to say. Okay, so whether you guys have feelings for each other or not, although okay, the thing about loves me not, same kind of thing. So okay, the cards we have here are a little bit tricky. Okay, okay, so the first card is this. I do see that both of you are having some or the other conflict. There can be several reasons for this conflict, but yes, you guys have conflicts. Your relationship, okay, whatever it is, it does have conflicts. If this relationship has to fructify, you want to fructify this relationship, still there are going to be conflicts. You guys will argue a lot. You guys will fight a lot. Okay, so yes, there are fights, and these fights, okay, yes, the cards are clearly saying these fights will be very prominent, very stronger, very bad, very ugly fights whenever the phase of moon is shifting. So during the full moon and new moon phases, you guys may fight a lot. So this card is actually clearly telling you when what is happening. So now you know it. During this time you can actually just go away from each other. Okay, don't get into a fight, don't get into an argument. Okay, just in case going away from each other is not possible, this card says just be there, just be there and be an observer. Okay, if the other person is sparking up the fight, you have to try to just be there and listening to whatever is happening. You don't have to participate in that argument. Okay, so yes, I do feel that this relationship is worth committing. Okay, this relationship is worth a commitment, because yes, and there are chances that this relationship will fructify in future as a commitment. Again, if both the people are ready to realize this, that they are arguing because during the phases of the moon they need to hold on to. If you guys just go crazy over arguments and split up, then you know where that relationship is going. Okay, but yes, full chances that this relationship may become into a fructified one, committed one. Okay, whoever is the woman in this relationship, okay, if you are a woman, it's you. If you are a man, it's about your partner. Okay, the woman in this relationship, she actually has a lot of feelings. Okay, she has a lot of feelings. And the man is where, the man is, he also has feelings. He is looking forward to the relationship. Okay, yes, he is actually committed, that he wants to make that relationship work. So that is there. Okay, let's see what are the other messages that are following. Technology, and this is about blessing. Okay, so do not be over reliant on technology, but use it to give yourself time for your personal growth. So okay, so this is actually pointing out to something very weird that happens. Okay, see, now it is the time for technology. People are chatting, and relationships are depending on WhatsApp and Facebook chats. So what happens when you are depending on technology? A lot of misunderstandings happen, right? Because you are messaging somebody, okay, and somebody is reading your messages, because you see the two tick marks, okay, the blue tick marks. You see them and you feel, oh, still this person has not responded though they saw my message. How dare they do this to me? Okay, so don't rely on technology. What is happening in technology is not actually their fault. Okay, so because of the technology, you guys may think that you have a big relationship problem. Okay, so don't depend on the technology stuff for, yes, for your relationship. Alternatively, this card may suggest that there are more possibilities in your life that have yet to develop. Okay, so there are more possibilities that are yet to develop. So just try to maintain a good balance. Just try to be calm and patient. Whenever you feel that your partner just saw the messages but they are still not responding, okay, use your time wisely and explore new possibilities. Okay, so just in case, if you are now aware, see, you may have realized this, that your technological device is not actually supporting you and your relationship. So try to use your time wisely. Maybe talk to each other, find out when the other person is free, and yeah, just schedule a good timing, that tomorrow 2 hours I'll be free, you can just call me up or you can just text me. Okay, so then you know that 2 hours you are also free and the other person is also free. So try to work it out that way. Okay, then we have the card for blessing. Okay, your guidance is to bless everyone you meet today. Blessings, silent or aloud, allow a divine light to flow from you to others. Whether friends, enemies, or strangers, this touches them with love, helps to open up their hearts. Bless food, water, animals, and trees, knowing that you are lighting up the world around you. Remember, all you give out returns to you multiplied. Okay, so whatever you are doing is coming back to you. Okay, so see, sometimes because we have this argument card, because we have this fighting card, you guys may bitterly fight. Okay, because we have this card, you guys may fight bitterly, and you may even curse each other. Do you do that or not? Let me know in the comments. But this card is telling you whatever you are giving out is what comes back to you. So just be careful in what you are exactly doing. Okay, so yes, so this is the reading for you. I hope that you like it. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. Let me know in the comments how did you like this reading. Okay, I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.